Welcome to a video walk around from Kelowna Toyota. We are located at 1624 Kerry Road in Kelowna, BC, Canada, right here in the heart of the Okanagan. Today we're going to take a look at this beautiful 2017 Toyota Highlander LE. This Highlander is all-wheel drive and it is riding on 19-inch alloy wheels. Power comes from a 3.5 liter V6 engine mounted to an automatic transmission. We have third row seating with room for 8 in this Highlander, and from the side we've got the nice tinted privacy glass for your passengers, the chrome trim around the windows, the color matched door handles and mirrors with integrated turn signals. And moving around to the front, we've got a nice chrome grille and a nice big windshield. Inside we're going to find a bunch of great features too, so let's hop right in and check it out. Taking a look in through the window, we've got this top condition gray cloth interior. This carries through to the second row where we've got seating for 3. These seats do slide back and forth and recline. And then in the back, we've got seating for 3 more in our third row. We also have back here a separate climate control system, so your back passengers can adjust the climate to suit them. Opening up the door, we'll find our power windows, locks, and mirrors. And as we climb in, we've got our wiper blade deicer and automatic high beams. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we're going to find our audio controls and hands-free Bluetooth calling. And over here on the right, we've got our controls for info we can access up on the dash, our forward collision alert and our lane departure alert, and right down here is our adaptive cruise control. So starting it up, as stuff just loads up on the dash here, you've got all the normal bits and pieces that you need to keep you going. And like I said, using these controls up here on the dash, you can access different features. Your safety features are on here too, as well as some different ways to customize your vehicle and keep track of your fuel mileage. Moving on over to the center console, we have an AM/FM stereo with a touchscreen Bluetooth and CD player. We also have auxiliary power inputs and USB inputs for your phone or your iPad. Moving on down on the left-hand side, we've got our rear window defrost and heated mirrors, and then we've got our electronic climate control system here with a setting for the rear climate control too. You can control that from up here or allow your customers to do that themselves. Moving down even further, we'll find our traction control, our snow mode, downhill assist, and our locking differential. We've got tons of room in here with a nice big center console and glove box. And just spinning around, we have a lot of room back there too. And like I said, these seats can roll forward to give your third row passengers a little bit extra room, and they do recline for comfort. So let's hop out and we will take a look at how the third row seats work and what we have for cargo space. Moving around to the back, that tinted privacy glass carries through to your cargo, and we also have a color matched rear spoiler and rear wiper blade. Back here is also where you're going to find your Toyota Highlander and LE all-wheel drive badging. So when we open up the liftgate right here, right now I've got the third row seats up, so we still have some cargo space there. You can carry quite a bit home, and as it is a taller vehicle, you can transport taller items. And to fold down the third row seating is really easy. We just want to pull up right there and let them go down. And then we can see we've got a really large amount of cargo space in there now. So I'm sure that there's going to be some features that I've missed in this quick video walk around. If you'd like to check out this Highlander for yourself, come down to 1624 Kerry Road right here in Kelowna. If you want some more info before making the trip, give us a call. One of our product advisors would love to talk to you. Or you can find us online at KelownaToyota.com to get all the details and specs on this Highlander and to browse the rest of our new and used inventory. I hope everyone's having a fantastic summer. Please drive safe, and we look forward to seeing you soon.